Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $15 every 10 minutes on Autopilot. Yes, you heard that right, on Autopilot. So, if you want to earn some extra cash without any effort, then keep watching. First things first, let's talk about what Autopilot means. Autopilot means that you can set up a system or a process that will continue to make money for you, even when you're not actively working on it. Now, let's get started with the methods that will help you make $15 every 10 minutes on Autopilot. But before that, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video so far, click the thumbs up button. Let's continue to the video. Method 1. Online surveys. One of the easiest ways to make money on Autopilot is by taking online surveys. Many websites pay you to take surveys and share your opinion. You can sign up for multiple websites and take surveys in your free time. Each survey can pay anywhere from $1 to $5, and it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete a survey. Some of the popular survey websites are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Swagbucks offers a $5 bonus just for signing up, and you can earn more by taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. Survey Junkie has a straightforward interface, and you can redeem your earnings through PayPal or gift cards. Inbox Dollars offers a $5 bonus for signing up and pays you for reading emails, taking surveys, and watching videos. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money on Autopilot. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. You can promote products through social media, email marketing, or even through a blog. Once you set up your affiliate links, you can earn money every time someone makes a purchase using your link. Amazon Associates is one of the popular affiliate programs that allow you to promote products on Amazon and earn a commission. You can promote products through social media, blog posts, or even through YouTube videos. ClickBank is another affiliate network that has a wide range of digital products that you can promote, such as ebooks, courses, and software. Commission Junction is another popular affiliate network that has a wide range of products in various niches. Method 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to hold any inventory. You can set up an online store and sell products that are shipped directly from the manufacturer to the customer. You don't have to worry about shipping or handling any products, and you can earn a profit for every sale you make. You can set up your dropshipping store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Once you set up your store, you can import products from AliExpress, Oberlo, or other dropshipping suppliers. When someone places an order on your website, you can forward the order to the supplier, and they will handle the shipping and delivery. Method 4. Investing. Investing is another great way to make money on Autopilot. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, or even cryptocurrencies. Once you set up your investment portfolio, your money will grow over time, and you can earn passive income from dividends or capital gains. You can invest in stocks through platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or Charles Schwab. You can also invest in mutual funds through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or T. Rowe Price. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, you can invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies through platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. In conclusion, making $15 every 10 minutes on Autopilot is not an impossible task. With the right methods and strategies, you can set up a system that generates passive income without putting in much effort. From taking online surveys to affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and investing, there are several options to choose from depending on your interests and skills. The key is to choose a method that works for you and then commit to it consistently. While making money on Autopilot is not a get-rich-quick scheme, It can be a great way to supplement your income and achieve financial freedom in the long run. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these methods today and watch your income grow on Autopilot.